guys, hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching the video. And as the title says, today I will be showing you all the products that I've used up. So believe me when I say I have a load, I actually have this big bag full of all my empties. So just grab yourself a coffee, get some snacks, and let's just sit and get done with all this. Okay, before starting the video, these are not the products that I've used up in just like 1 month. I have been collecting them, I think, for last 1 or 2 months. 2 months, I think, yeah. And today also I totally forgot. I was filming something else and my mom came and you're like, you gotta film this or I'm throwing this out. So yeah, she was getting heated up. I have to film this so that we can throw it out in the garbage. So let's get started. First of all, I have this big old container of Schwarzkopf BC Repair Rescue shampoo that I used to love. I still love it, but I've switched to something else, and that reminds me that is also empty. I should maybe pull that out also from the bathroom. But anyhow, so I used to use, not the exact bottle, but I used to use this shampoo for 2 years. It is a really nice shampoo, but then I got bored and I just last month switched my shampoo. But anyhow, it's an amazing shampoo. I used to buy these big salon size containers, like completely says it all, the size of this. So yeah, that is one thing. I used to buy it from Amazon or Paytm Mall. I will try and find a link because honestly I am such a lazy ass. With me, I forget ordering things, so my brother used to order for me, and mind you, my brother lives in London, so he used to order things for me from there. So yeah, that is the first product. Then we have then we have this tub of hair therapy. I think it's a hair, yes, it is a hair mask from the same range, and this is a fabulous mask. If you have dry hair, dead hair, then I think you must try it. This is fabulous. I have used, I am not kidding, at least 5 to 10 jars of this one in conjunction with another hair mask from the same brand, which I will just show you. But yeah, so there is this hair mask. Then we have the second hair mask, which is the Color Freeze hair mask from the same brand. So as you can see, I was obsessed with the brand, and it is actually a really good brand. So yeah, that is the third product. Then we have this jar of Jergens Ultra Heal. This is my like go-to body lotion. I do not switch body lotions. I can never switch body lotions. This is fantastic. And okay, one second, let me just keep this down. So if you like ask my friends, they're like, oh my god, Pooja, why is your skin so soft? It's because of this. Sorry, it's because of this. This is fabulous. You have to try it. In summertime, if you feel that you're sweating a lot, just use a little bit, but in winters I just slather it on. Actually, I slather it on in summers also. But yeah, this is something you must try. We always have backups of these. These also we order online, so all the prices of the products, and I will try and link everything also in the description box. Plus I will be doing a blog post on everything that is mentioned here. So if you want to buy something or you want a little more depth, what am I saying? A little more detail of the product, you can go and check out my blog, Indian Beauty Diary. I will mention everything there. Okay, then we have another hair mask, and if you have been reading my blogs for a few years, then you might know that I love writing pros and cons section, and I go in depth when I'm reviewing a product. But this product which I'm just going to show you has no pros. I wish there was any other way of saying this, but this is pathetic. This is Stony and Guy Damage Repair Mask for intensive reconstruction. Dude, this mask is just pathetic. I used it on my hair and they were just looking dead. I think this thing pulled out moisture from my hair rather than giving them moisture. So please do not use it. It was damn expensive, and you know, we just cannot waste our money on things like this. There are better products out there. This is obviously my opinion, so if you love the product, please don't hate me. This did not work for me though. Anyhow, moving on, we have the Face Shop White Seed White Moisture Cream. So this is the cream, and very nice packaging. It comes with a little plastic spatula. It is so much fun to scoop out the product. But it is actually odd to say, but this hardly had any moisture. And yeah, so I think my mom used it because she is the kind of person, she will not throw the product. I'm the kind of person, I will not throw it out, but I will start rubbing it on my body. But she used it, and I also like scooped this quite a few times. So yeah, and I have super oily skin, so this is a very rare occasion when a product is not oily enough, not moisturizing enough for me. But this wasn't. So if you, I don't know, if you live in a place where it is very moist, I think this is going to work for you, but it did not work for me. So yeah, now to the cream that actually worked for me, and I have, I think, 3 jars to prove that. 1 and 2, and yeah, we have 3. Olay! So this is Olay Regenerist Revitalizing Hydration Cream Moisturizer SPF 15. That is a really long name, but you know what? This product deserves everything. This is such a nice moisturizer. I think I have 3 empties and one is on my dresser that says it all. If you are 25 and above, then you must use this cream. This is really good for your scars. It's really good for all the pigmentation that you might get. It evens out skin tone. It is moisturizing, but it's not oily. So I highly recommend this, and it's pretty inexpensive also. Oh, not really. So it's pretty easily available also. I get it on Amazon, and it generally is on sale with other products. Moving on, I have another fail. So this is Be Blunt Climate Control Anti-Freeze Leave-In Cream. Okay, so this cream, I don't know who made it and who designed it. It is, no. If I apply little, it does nothing. If I apply a little more, then my hair start getting frizzy. And I thought this is an anti-frizz cream, but this is actually a frizz cream. So please don't buy it. I actually gave it to one of my Masis, and she was not having it with this. So this is not a good product. Okay, then I have this In Nature Herbs Cleansing Milk, Olive Cleansing Milk. This was a nice product. I did use the entire bottle. It is herbal, but I will not be repurchasing this, mainly because I love something else which I will just show you. But if you are looking for all natural options to remove your makeup, then this is a really good option. I think I got it in a fab bag. So yeah. Next, the product which I love for removing my makeup, which is Kaya, and it is Kaya's Everyday Essentials Hydra Cleanse Makeup Remover 3-in-1. This product is fantastic. I mean, I use a lot of waterproof makeup just because I sweat a lot, and I live in Delhi, which is like literally hot case. So this product removes it all. It even removes all the lash glue that is stuck. So yeah, you must try it. It is pretty inexpensive for what it is. So yeah, I highly recommend this. Moving on, I have a few more creams. Okay, so the brand that I am lately obsessed with is Innisfree, and when it was Christmas time, they had so many hampers and cute things. Me and one of my friends, we went there and we shopped a lot, and we got a lot of samples. So these are 2 luxury size samples that I got from them. One is Innisfree Orchid Sleeping Pack. It is a fabulous cream by Innisfree. I liked it. My mom loved it. So this is fabulous for mature skin. And if you haven't tried anything from Innisfree, I would say that this is a good place to start. If you have mature skin, then this. And if you are, like, you know, kind of in your early 20s or in your late 20s, then I would say then you should try this. This is Innisfree Green Tea Sleeping Pack. This is such a nice product. It's super cooling and has these little beads in it. They burst, and oh my god, it is fabulous. So that's a really nice product, and I think I took it with me on one of my trips. And I'm so cheap, I brought the container back. No, actually, the reason of bringing the container back was that Innisfree, being an eco-friendly brand, you can take all these containers back, and then you get points, and then you can use them for your later purchase. And I have one more of the Innisfree product, by the way. Okay, to my favorite Innisfree product ever. This is Innisfree the Green Tea Seed Serum. I think everybody has spoken about it on YouTube, because this is a fantabulous product. No matter what your skin type is, no matter what your skin concern is, just include this in your skincare regimen, and you will see a huge difference. This is moisturizing, this will work on your pores, this will even out your complexion, this will maintain the pH balance of the skin. This is basically a magical product. So this is something I highly recommend. If you end up buying anything from Innisfree, make sure you collect all your empty containers so that you can recycle them and get some points. Okay, moving on. I also have this, which is Croncare Bye Bye Bacteria Hand Sanitizer. I think I saw this first when I was staying with the Lalit, because they give all the Croncare products and I do like the brand. This particular product I really liked. I think I have a full review on it, so I will link it below. So when I use any kind of sanitizer, major concern for me is so drying, but this one is not, thank God. Also a very clean kind of a brand, so I really like to support such brands. And it says it kills 99.9% germs in 30 seconds. It doesn't smell like medicine, that is also a plus. So if you're looking for a good sanitizer, then you can try this one. Okay, few more guys, few more. I have another product from Innisfree, which is Innisfree Orchid Enriched Cream. This is the day cream version of the same thing. This is also equally good, and as I said, if you have mature skin or if you have dry skin, then you should definitely give it a try. Moving on, I have this Moroccan oil. I think it's a luxury sample. Oh no, it was something that I got in one of my goodie bags. So yeah, that's a really nice Moroccan oil, especially if you have dry hair and oily scalp. So you can just apply a little on your hair and yeah, your hair will look nice, polished. Also, this is a really good heat protectant. So if you're looking for all-in-one kind of a product, then this is something you can go for. But this is pretty expensive, so I haven't repurchased it yet, but I think I might. Okay, then I have this product from the Face Shop, which I just cannot live without, and I don't have it anymore because it's not available in stores these days, so I think I have to go online and buy it. This is the Face Shop Jeju Volcanic Lava Pore Toner Lotion, and this stuff is fantabulous. If you are an oily skin girl, you have open pores and you have acne issues and pimples and stuff like that, just like me, then this is a magical product. This is made from pure Jeju, like Jeju is a place, so the volcanic lava, and this will work like magic on your pores. From the day I started using it, I saw a huge difference in the size of my pores. Also, when I apply makeup, it sits better. I've been getting less acne. So I try to keep a backup of this, but this time it is gone and I just cannot find it anywhere. So I think I'm going to go online and buy it. It is available on Nykaa for sure. So I'll just get my hands on this one. And this is something that I really recommend for oily skin girls like me. Moving on, I have last 3-4 products, teeny little products. So if you have been watching my videos, then you know that I love false lashes and I ran out of my glue. So this is the Duo Brush On Adhesive with Vitamins, and I'm sorry, it looks really ugly, but yeah. So this is the glue that I generally use. It is not the best, but this is the best that I can get in India. So yeah, I ran out of that. Then I also ran out of my Maybelline Anti-Age, the Erase Eye Concealer, which I use in, what shade is that? Nude. So I ran out of this like literally right now, and I thought I'm going to include it in my empties. By the way, this stuff is now available on Nykaa. This is not a paid promotion. Let me just clarify this once. I'm not paid by Nykaa. I wish I was, but I'm not. So now this stuff is available on Nykaa. So if you haven't tried it, get your hands on this. This is extremely lightweight, good coverage, not 100% coverage, but it is medium coverage. Really nice for summer. So yeah, if you're looking for a concealer, then you can give with this one a try and you will love it. And now to my beloved product, which I have just been obsessed with lately, and I got a sample of this. My brother got it for me. I asked him to get it for me, and now it is done, and I have to wait a few more months to get my hands on this. This is Benefits Roller Lash. Oh my god, this stuff is fantastic. So I am wearing lashes right now, but generally when I'm going out, I do not wear eyelashes. I just cannot be bothered, especially with this kind of heat. So I always use this guy, and My god, I cannot tell you, it elongates lashes, it keeps the lashes curled, they stay on all day, they are jet black, there's no clumping. I mean, I can go on and on and on. But I was so stupid, I just ordered one sample when there was Black Friday sale, and I'm done with this and I need more of this in my life. So yeah, that is my favorite mascara at the moment. I just wish I had a backup, but I do have another mascara from Benefit, so let's see if that is this good. But yeah, and that was the last product for my empties. I hope you liked the video. Do let me know if you use any of these products and what are your experiences with it. Also, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and it would make my day if you like the video and share it. Do tell your friends about my channel, and yeah, also you can share your feedback on all the videos with me on the comment section. I try and get back to you guys these days. I've been keeping good about that, and also I promise to upload more frequently, so please stay tuned. And yeah, that is it. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.